face the problem. Huwag mo siyang takbuhan. Harapin mo. Kasi kapag hinarap mo ang problema, mas magkakaroon ka ng opportunity and chance na mabigyan ng solution ito with the help of the credit card provider or the bank or the lending institution. Ngayon, kapag tinatalikuran mo ang problemang ito, tinatakbuhan mo, lalong magkakaroon ng idea yung credit card provider or your lending institution na mag-conclude na ikaw ay high-risk borrower. So hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ang pinakamabisang gawin kapag alam mo na hindi mo kayang bayaran yung loan mo or yung mga credit card bills mo is to face the problem. Huwag mo siyang takbuhan. Harapin mo. Kasi kapag hinarap mo ang problema, mas magkakaroon ka ng opportunity and chance na mabigyan ng solution ito with the help of the credit card provider or the bank or the lending institution. Ngayon, kapag tinatalikuran mo ang problemang ito, tinatakbuhan mo, lalong magkakaroon ng idea yung credit card provider or your lending institution na mag-conclude na ikaw ay high-risk borrower. So, wag nating hayaang magkaroon ng ganong klase ng conclusion si bangko over you. So, napaka-importante na harapin ang mga problema sa mga babayarin natin sa credit card o sa mga lending institution, whether loan man yan or credit card debt man yan. So, even with the truth na hindi ka na nakakabayad ng credit card bills mo ng ilang buwan or ng loan mo ng ilang buwan, huwag kang matakot, especially when you know that there is a credit protection program na maaring tumulong sa'yo para ma-resolve yung problema mo. Well, I would like to emphasize na in this situation, it involves honesty. Yung totoo namang you are financially struggling. Because if you are truly financially struggling, you can look on the number of debt relief or credit protection program from the credit card provider or the lending agencies. That could help you, as what I've said a while ago, resolve your present situation. Okay, so isa-isahin natin yung mga programa na sinasabi ko para ma-aware kayo. And take note of those programs. Those programs can really help you para ma-resolve yung present situation mo or yung present na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon na hindi ka makabayad ng credit card bill mo. Alright, first, we have the IDRP. Ano ba yung IDRP? Ang IDRP is Interbank Debt Relief Program. And under the IDRP, meron tayong specific programs under this na truly makakatulong sa inyo.
Most banks give tier consumers the ability to rearrange payment. Credit card holders in the Philippines who are having financial difficulties can look into a number of debt relief and credit protection programs from the issuer or credit counseling agencies. The following are some important mechanisms and programs. The Interbank Debt Relief Program, IDRP, is intended for people who are having financial difficulties with several different credit card companies. It provides longer payment periods, reduced monthly amortizations, and better terms for repayment. Debt restructuring. A lot of banks give their customers the ability to rearrange their payment schedules through debt restructuring options. This could entail extending repayment periods, temporarily freezing interest rates, or reducing monthly payments. Credit card amnesty programs. These programs give past due credit card users the opportunity to pay off their debts with longer repayment terms and reduced interest rates. Their goal is to assist customers in regaining their financial security without incurring undue fines.
So, dalawa pala yung specific programs na pwedeng tumulong sa atin. Yung Debt Restructuring Program at saka yung Amnesty Program ng mga bangko. Kailangan ma-mention natin to, makabisado natin to as what I've said a while ago, pati yung Republic Act 7394, para nang sa ganun kapag nakipag-communicate tayo kina bangko, malalaman nila na aware tayo dun sa mga possible specific programs na makakatulong sa atin. And each bank has these programs. Alright, so lahat naman tayo nakaka-experience ng financial problem, financial struggles. No one is exempted. Lahat tayo has his or her own dose of financial struggles in life. That is but normal. But these trials and struggles in life make us stronger and firmer para harapin pa yung mga mas marami pang problema sa buhay. This is just some of the ways of our God to strengthen us, to make us firm. Matututo tayong magkaroon ng wiser decision in the future para nang sa ganon hindi na ulit tayo magkaroon ng ganitong klase ng problema. Alright, so hanggang dito muna tayo for our video for today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pakikinig. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. And alam nyo, kahit na ganito ang buhay natin, I know that God is so good. Kaya tandaan natin, manalangin tayo palagi. No? Don't lose hope because God is a faithful God. Alright? So maraming salamat muli sa inyo. Sana makapag-subscribe din yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. And always remember to tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified sa mga upcoming videos na naman natin. Maraming salamat. Remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!